everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing another mini twist with extension hairstyle. And I know I did this on my channel before, but the only difference this time is that I'm gonna be using actual human hair. I'm gonna show you how to actually prep the hair, seeing as though it's human hair, how to get the most out of your human hair that you have so you're not wasting hair. So the human hair I'm going to be using today is from Hotbraids. So they sent me a edge brush, 3 clips. I really love these clips, another rat tail comb. I love these combs that have the pre-parted section, so I don't have to build my own sectioning comb. Of course, a smoothing brush as well. And so of course the hair came in this lovely dust bag. So they sent me 5 bundles of 20 inches of hair. I know it doesn't look like 20 inches now, but of course when I prepare the hair and I fluff it out, it's gonna look like 20 inches. So I'm gonna see if I can take a piece off. So this is the natural texture of the hair, and this is it all stretched. So what I'm doing is stretching, like taking off a piece of the hair from the bundle and stretching the hair so it's not too curled, but I'm also not stretching it where it's straightened out too much. I'm just stretching it to make sure that I have like a full piece of hair to start the twist. Well, not to only start it, but to do the twist as well. And if there's any knots, I'll take that out as well. Straggly pieces like this, I am gonna add it back in the hair, in the bundle. Well, in the length of the hair to add to it. As I noticed about the hair too, you just like tugging on it like this, it's not breaking, so that's really good. So if you want to not like stretch it like this, you can always hold the hair and do this in sections instead of like pulling it all the way through, and this will help to stretch it a little bit more. So this is one strand of hair stretched. Okay, so I'm back and my hair is washed and blow dried. I prefer styling on blow dried hair because the parts are cleaner, the hair is easier to manipulate, it's blown out straight enough where you don't have to use that much gel or edge control or whatever to get like a sleek look. So my hair is fully So another way you can stretch the hair, braid the hair like so, and then saturate it and just stretch it like this.